Facebook is a social networking platform that allows users to connect with friends, family, and other people they know. Users can create a personal profile, share photos, videos, and links, and exchange messages with others. They can also join groups and communities based on their interests, such as hobbies, politics, or professions. Users can also use Facebook to follow and interact with public figures, organizations, and businesses. They can like, comment, and share posts, and receive updates from these pages in their newsfeed. Facebook uses algorithms to personalize the content that users see in their newsfeed based on their past interactions and interests. This means that users are more likely to see posts from their friends and pages they have interacted with in the past. Users can also use Facebook's marketplace to buy and sell items and use its groups feature to join or create groups for specific interests or communities. Facebook also offers business features to help businesses create a presence on the platform and connect with customers. These include creating a business page, promoting posts, and running ads.